Hey guys, what's up? I'm Dustin Mankin. This is Excite Video Magazine, and I am still in America on my Christmas vacation. And today I want to show you something that we picked up and we talked about in the Wednesday video, and that is the Western Digital My Passport Solid State Drive. I don't know if you can see it right there. Focus. There we go. Now, I bought this thing because I did get a laptop, and I am going to use it to edit. And the laptop does come with one solid state drive in it, but you know, it's better to have your video and your scratch on a separate drive. My laptop does have one spot to put another internal drive, which I will eventually do. But for right now, I just needed something dirty and cheap and something that I could take with me anywhere. And this drive is it. If you look right here, I don't know if you can see, it says 515 megabytes per second. Now, that's a best case scenario, and that is on 3.1 USB hardware. I have 3.0 hardware in this laptop that I just picked up, and everyone that's running it on 3.0 USB is saying they're getting about 319, which still is not bad for a hard drive that you do not have to plug into a wall outlet or something. It's really good, and I think if you're wanting to do some video editing on a laptop on the go, this might be a pretty good solution. Now, 256 gigabytes is kind of small if you're going to do something long, but YouTube videos that run about 7 minutes, my max is usually about 20 minutes, so I don't think that's going to be a problem at all. Let me fix my glasses and let's get this guy opened and let's see what's up. One thing to mention is I did get this from Newegg, and I'm actually pleasantly surprised because Newegg told me that it would be available on the 30th, which was Saturday for me, and it actually came the very next day. And I didn't pay for high-speed shipping or anything. There's a cat. Stop. There you go. Take that passport. I didn't pay for any high-speed shipping or anything. I just paid for the express handling because they're known to take 2 or 3 days to get everything ready. Shout out to Newegg. Okay, so this is a little bit hard to do one-handed, and I know I usually do these on the workbench, and I have a GoPro mounted, so please forgive the shakiness. I didn't want to bring everything I had to America. Obviously that would weigh a lot, and I needed a room to bring a lot of stuff back. Yeah. It's gonna come up. And they gave us a nice little pull tab here. Sorry, it's so hard to do one-handed. Oh, well, crap. I thought that was the top, but it wasn't. So, but that's okay because apparently this guy is resistant up to 6.5 foot drop. It's supposed to be resistant to falling damage. Here it is. As you can see, it is really tiny. I don't have a huge hand. I don't have a small hand. Actually, let's do this. This is a stick of deodorant. Don't ask me why it's sitting here. It just is. And this is the hard drive next to a stick of deodorant. This drive is really small, and that's really a good thing. It's really light also. In fact, some of the reviewers have said that it felt a little bit cheap in their hands, and I'm sure that it probably did. But light is never a bad thing, especially in cases where my bag is already heavy going back and forth, like when I'm traveling on the plane or something. So this is really good. You can see here it does have a USB-C port. I don't know, focus. It does have a USB-C port here on the bottom, and that's how it plugs in. And that's all that it needs as I knock over said can of deodorant. My Passport SSD looks pretty good. Let's take a look at the cables and stuff that's in the box. Now here in the back of the box you do get, what is this? This is your technical support and limited warranty guide. And you also have your cable. And what they did was they put a USB-C to USB-C, and they also included a USB-C to USB-A adapter. So that's how you're going to plug it in. It has a blue tip, so you can see there it's 3.0 compatible, and that's how we're going to be running it in my laptop. But my laptop is not here yet, so we will not be testing in this video. I apologize. Inside the box there is nothing else, so that's it, man. That's what's in the box. You get your instructions and your technical stuff, the drive itself, and this cable. Now, speaking of the cable, I'm going to go ahead and take this adapter loose because I'm going to have to use it in USB-A mode anyways. So let's get this wrapping off there, and I'm going to put this on I don't know exactly how it goes. I think it goes like this. That's really hard to do one-handed. Hold on. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. You can actually do it one-handed really easy. There we go. It's together. And this is how... Cat, you are totally blocking the light. Why don't you get off there? Get off there. Get off there. There you go. So, there it is. It's plugged in, and it can be used now. Obviously, you may want to uncurl this. Or you may not. I don't know. I'm not going to tell you what to do. It's your life. There we go. And now it's plugged in. I am going to upload all the video footage onto this, which it's coming from this phone that we're filming with right now, so I won't be able to actually show you any of that, but I will let you know about how long it took and what file size it was. There we go, guys. That was the Western Digital My Passport SSD. I think it's going to be really good for getting some videos done on the go. I'm at school a lot, and sometimes I have 3 and 4 hour breaks while I'm waiting in between classes. I don't have anything to do, and that's what I've been doing, photo editing, because that little laptop that I used to have was good enough to do like Photoshop 7 or something, so it was okay to make thumbnails and stuff, but nothing really technical. But I think this is going to help me with my Adobe Premiere. And the cool thing about Adobe Premiere, at least on the CS 5.5 agreement, is I can actually load it on a main computer and a separate computer from that, as long as I'm the only user and I don't use them at the same time, which is perfect for me. That means I can edit at home. That means I can edit on the go. That means I can edit at school. And hopefully that means that these videos are going to get a little bit more regular, not so many gaps in between them. I'm really blown out right now. I'm sorry. The light's too close, but I can't move it further away because I don't have an AC outlet. I'm rambling now, so I am going to go ahead and go. This thing is really awesome. I can't wait to see what kind of videos we edit when we can move and be on the go and have more time. If you like this, if you like drifting videos, if you like Japanese life, if you like Japanese cars, any of that stuff, please go ahead and subscribe to me. I don't always do unboxing and stuff, but when I get cool stuff, I do try to unbox it. I try to let you all know things about my life behind the scenes, like how I edit and stuff like that. So if any of that interests you, please go ahead and click subscribe so you can see more cool videos when they come out. If you did like this video, go ahead and click like. If you didn't, too bad for you. But whatever, guys. I will see you next time, guys. Peace.